Guys, I'm in Jamaica eating some mango.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay.
Whoop. Guys, this is a river mango. And the river mango. Sour. And the river mango.
One river mango.
The one them always in the river, the tree them. Hey! Look what me have here. You see me have fun out there. Plus. Say hi. Say hi. What's your grandma? What's your granny? You drop me Charmaine and he take it up a car and give you. The granny. I lie. Wait, hey guys. Mango sweet and sour in that one. I'm on vacation. Guys, we doing emergency vacation with Jayla. Well, Wednesday is Jayla. Wednesday? What birthday? And thing. My finger them. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Period. Guys, Siobhan, trip Blair, whole heap of plum. I'm going to show you. Whole heap of plum for days. Throw some of my water for me and there, my friend. Just look a bit. I'm going to show my people. Wait. I'm going to show my people in the tree. All right. Guys, I'm going to show you the, some fruit tree. I'm going to see if I can find some fruit tree in the yard and show you. So come, let's go on a little adventure. Period. We're going on a little adventure in Jamaica. Look at my ear pull up, you know. What a ear I try to keep for Jayla's birthday and it mess up bad. So guys, Siobhan is roasting breadfruit. The fire hot your fire. Fire hot like a fire. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 breadfruit. I'm coming to show you a plum tree now. Alright, let me zoom in. See some plum there, guys. Plum. There are 4 plum on the branches there, so. And 5 right there, so zoom in look more. See there? Plum full on the tree. Look. We got plum for days. Look at all him right there, so. Plum. Right there, so we got, what is that? Cersei now. Fever grass is right there, so guys. You see that? Fever grass. So that I was, what I bush it again? What name again? Oh, I don't know something about that. The red one? The wild one, guys. Look where it's red. We zoom in. See it? The wild one. And see the mango tree here. We just ate all the mangoes. Right? So that's how much tree we throw now. 4. And we have over there. What's something the name again? Star apple. Right? That's Siobhan's mom talking in the background. You know, she know all about the plant and the fruit. Alright, Miss Charmaine. You want to come in our video? Go so then. Alright, me roll it over your head. Roll it over your head. Alright, right there. So now, guys, we have the fruit that we don't eat. Jamaica best fruit. The ackee tree. But the ackee that they pan. But over there, we got ackee tree right here. We got ackee right there, so. And more star apple tree. More star apple tree. And over there, we got the plum tree. More plum pan there. We're going to pick them today, guys. My business, my juice business. Yeah. And over there, so we got the plum tree. I don't remember where plum name. The plum, we show me where plum name again over there, so. Not the Jew plum, the one with the tree side. Star fruit. The star fruit tree right there, so guys. See that? Star fruit tree. And coconut tree. They got coconut tree.